Hello friend, this is Umang Sharma. In this video, I am going to explain my experiment number 7, that is window form application for my C# and .NET programming lab. So before starting my experiment, I want to tell you what are the feature I need to include. For in this experiment, I need to include MDA concept. With database connectivity, I need to do insert, update, delete, and search operation. And for display, I need to use Gridview. And login page for validation, username, and admin and user login, and list of the program that is for quiz application I need to do. So I'll show you my program. So this is the my form one design. Here I am using label and two text box and three button, one button for login, sign up, and here for login as a admin. So first I'll show you that admin sign up part. When it is a sign up, I am opening F2. I am creating F2 object, that is form, and I am opening F2. So this is my F2. You can see here I am using into label and to text box. When I will click here, that value will into insert into database and display for display. So you can see here for text view, first I am taking username and password. This is my database string. And after that, what I am doing, I am writing one query, insert into log admin username and password. I am inserting into my database I want to insert, and I make one SQL connections. So after that, I open my SQL connection. I wrote command, and that query I am running with my object. And that first parameter that is here, that is my username and password, that is entered by my user. And after that, I am executing the query and message. We can say that successfully sign up. And for displaying part, when you will enter, you will display the message. And then after sign up, we need to do login. So when you will do login, the both the password and username is taking. And after that, after making SQL connection, we need to check select stuff from admin username and user password. And for that, we are executing query, and we make one SQL data adapter and with commands. So and data fill, I am using data equal to new data table, and we fill our data table with our SQL data adapter. And we are checking if it is counting is 0, it means greater than 0, it means we have a one user or with same username and password. So we are displaying the message that okay for the start text, and then we close our connection. Form 3 is starting for our test. So form 3, we will see welcome and the three question for label and the group box with radio button. So when he will enter the submit button, what the value, initial value is 0. If the check radio button is checked, the value is incrementing. If it is checked for first one, and if it is third radio button, because we know result is again is check radio button, that is we need to increment. If it is not, then again we need to increment that value, and we are inserting that value in our username and the SQL by using SQL command query and execute, and after successfully complete your test. So after this is for, and here for admin we are opening form 4. In form 4, we are putting username and the password again. If that password is admin, because I am using admin password, I am using f dot show for admin panel. So here is our admin panel. So admin button, we have a delete query, update, and the search query. Delete query, we are opening the delete form. And delete form, you can say we are asking username for delete, and the query is delete from the table where username equal to user with our connection. We are executing query. But if it is update, we need to update. For that, we are using update form. Update form, for we are asking username and the marks for enter. So what it will uh, update the score of the user. Update is set equal to marks, and where username equal to user. And for search, what we are doing, we are opening search form. So in search form, what you enter username you want to search, and we are using same grid view for filling data set adapter D, and we data set we filled with our data set, and grid view with table 0 row we are showing an object. After that we are closing. Now I will show you my output. So now it is for our sign up time. So sign up I am using test, and password is again I am putting as a test. Now sign up has been successfully. Now I am using for login test, and my password also a test. Now when I log in, it's telling enter OK for a start. Now New Delhi is a capital of Delhi. Yes, it is correct. And Sachin is the Tamil Nadu capital. This answer I am giving wrong. Mahatma Gandhi is a president of India. It is no. It means now I have a three answer. Uh, one, two marks will come. So I've successfully entered. Now my test has been completed. Now admin part, admin password. We are using admin, and here you can see test has a score 2 because I only give 2. Now I am deleting Ashish Mas, so it's asking me enter username you want to delete. Now I submitted. Now you can see my Ashish has been deleted. Now I want to update test marks as a 2 to 3. So as an updating marks is my 3. Now you can see my marks has been updated, and for search enter username you want to search. Now I enter text, so you can see my search has been completed. I hope you understand this experiment. Thank you.